now here in Intramuros with Chen and Jova. Yan nga, galing kami dito dati, yan yung may Starbucks. Pero from the opposite side kami nag-entrance. Malapit lang pala. We are now going to Esplanade Pasig. Pasig something. So we are now leaving Intramuros and we are going to Esplanade. Nag-stop na yung rain. Buti na lang tayo kasi hindi na maulan. Esplanade na ba yan? Annyeonghaseyo. So today we are now here in Esplanade. So this is along Pasig River. What do you think about it?
I think it's so amazing that people get to see. Yeah, sure.
Can't believe it. Pinundo na doon. I wanna eat siomai. May mga kainan pala dito, no? Marami. So basa dito kasi umulan kanina. So from Intramuros, we made our way here. So we are now across the bridge. Across the bridge. So sa lalim kami dumaan doon from the other side. So that's Jones. And then sa kabila, yung Escolta station for the ferry. Yan yung may libreng sakay. So malapit na yan sa Yingying. Ganda dito. Dulanin ko dito si Mama Samad. So we are now here on the other side. Nagtakad kami doon. Picture time. Daming mga stall dito hanggang doon. Yan, so nasa kabilang side na kami. Kanina na doon. Ngayon, ibang bridge na to. That's the China Air Bridge Project. Ganun to. So dito maraming tao. So meron kami dito nakitang it's not a photo booth, but like a photo booth with flowers. And then across that, merong sakura tree. Meron pa doon actually. Mahaba pa yung nandun.
Okay. Ano yun, mouse? Pogi, pogi.
So we're going to try this enoki. 50 pesos, 1 stick, 3 pieces.
Tikman lang.
1 stick. Parang nagsamgyup ka na. Kung maka 200 ka, that's 6. 612 pala.
Malaki daw kasi.
It's afternoon na. And we're going to Binondo. Tawid kami doon. So we are now in Jones Bridge. So galing kami doon. It's 6:16 p.m. Dahil kami ng nginging siguro. Hello, Binondo. Nice to see you again. Oh no. You need CR. So that's, ang ganda na ng ano, sign ng Binondo. Yung pinaka-gate nila. There's a resto like diretso lang. Labas nito ang Teen Street na. Sa may Chuan King. So, night time in Binondo. Welcome, Chuan. Salupuyan po kami naglalakad along 1 Street. Nueva ata. Kasi may Nueva branch dyan, BPI. Ha? We are now in Manila, Chinatown, Binondo.
Ano sabi mo?
Ariedo! So nandito ako ngayon sa Bulacan. First time ko, Giginto, Bulacan. Motor Bar. Nag-stop over kami dito sa Chadan Big Up Coffee. Nakalapit na Bulacan ka na. So, dito po kami ngayon sa Greenbelt. We just finished mass sa SM Makati. We are looking for lunch. Looking for a place to have lunch and coffee. Ayan, Golden Goose. So after pa lang namin magdangkin, malamig po dito ngayon.
It's so windy.
Kasi lumakas ulit yung amihan.
Yeah.
Ang gusto niya sa camera. So time is 4:50.
Tatawid kami kahit na hindi pa go.
No, let's wait. No. We are law-abiding citizens. So maghihintay po kami ng 20 seconds. Ang lamig-lamig lang po. Para akong nasa Baguio, lamig-lamig dito. Magapalit kami ng shoes.
Oh, hi.
Kasi masakit daw to.
Pero sige, I'll try.
Yan, pagpalit na kami. I'm back to my comfortable shoes. Ay, sana palaging ganito, malamig, hindi pa nagpapawisan. Kaya nga eh, I can't believe it. Like it's middle of the March na. Pero maano pa rin. Malamig.
Babagin sa aklan sa...
Ay! Wala. Yabang mo eh. Paano ba talaga yung basta nagkaroon lang ng...
Hello! So nandito na naman kami sa Tuan Tuan.
Dalawa yan? Yung
Hindi,
video?
ikaw lang.
Dalawa?
So may promo po dito na Unli Dim Sum. Nag-order na kami. Hakaw, shumay, ano yan? Yay. I think we can start na. Parang sarap ng siomay, oh. Hakaw. Chicken feet.
Warm water po.
Yung tawag dito is kalimutan ko. Ano po tawag please dito?
Shanghai Bao.
Fried Shanghai Bao. May Shanghai pa kami, di ba, yung roll? Pipat tofu.
At then yun.
Ito yung hot sauce.
Chili paste.
Chili paste. Yung mga pork buns. So ito yung laman ng ano nila, pipat tofu. Sarap. Ito yung ano nila, laksa. Malay laksa. Sarap. Nakakarami na kami. Busog na. Siguro mga 25% full na. Heaven. 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 I'm in heaven. Dumating na yung pork bun. Isa ko sa favorite ito. Pork bun. Busog na naman. May busog na naman.
Siguro nag-unlimited diyan ako.
Oo.
How did you know? How did you know?
Kasi nag-mushroom niya.
So, Tuan, we are now in North Park. So, tapos pa lang kami mag-gym.
Tapos lang
I ordered this one. May beer siya, 6 express siya.
for the road.
So, today's Thursday and tomorrow is a holiday. So, we have to celebrate our small wins. It's Thursday, but it feels like Friday, no? This is my order. It's NS12. 1 ton and 3 kinds of mushroom. Dig in. Ha? Pinhis na naman. Exit lang? Bakit exit only lang? Ang weird naman. Exit only.
Ganda pa.
Punta kaming Green Hills Mall. Oh, maganda dito. Marami siyang plants. Yeah. Ishekshi.
Tawag dito. Dati hapon. Ito mag-lakpan na dish na tayo.
Ano po? Nag-review?
Ay, ba't ganyan? Ano po nangyari sa'yo? Ay, ayan. Ba't niyo po nilawa sa video? May pagkababoy ka din po, no? Yung level po ng Burn Ultimate, tatalsi ka na po sa mata. Kayo na lang pong mag-judge sa kanya.
Grabe yung pero masarap. Masarap yun.
Yung Japanese natin, 500.
May iba akong kasama. So dito kami kumain ng spicy noodles. Yun. Spicy noodles. So marami ng tao. Kami kanina na hindi pa maraming tao. Balik ako dito. Original version is in Maguinao. Punta kami ng podium. Bili siya ng snack niya. Wow. the way ako ngayon papuntang Zeus sa Star Mall. I'm not sure if pumunti na yung mga tao. Tapos wala ng jeep. Ito, nakuha ko na yung ice shaken double espresso. Parang masarap. Ito yung office ko. Pa-summer na nga. So init.
Try. Kung may daralan, I wanna try. I wanna try.
Kasi,
Hello po. Saan po ba tayo pupunta?
no, we're gonna swim probably or do some workouts or other activities.
We are in
So we're waiting for our friends. They're not yet here. They will be here in a little while.
Perini. Perine or Perenne? We're going to buy coffee. We just had lunch.
Ano order mo, Leongs?
Wala pa. Baka Spanish latte.
Oh yeah, that's
Kayo, sige. Kayo muna po. Oo, mahilig kasi ako.
Mag-business na rin kami. Ano kami? Gym. Ha? Kaparanas.
Gym.
So they have this cake.
So, gym. Nag-register ako.
Gym kasi ba? Either plan.
Well, we just have... So we are now wearing... Ano? Bowling shoes. So we are now here inside the bowling ball station.
Hello!
Wait, pang- So Lyoba is the first one. Go Lyoba.
Ano na lang, boys versus girls?
Oh, pwede. Tulo-tulo. Tama, tama.
Sinuela.
Okay ka na. Rolling.
Baka mag-aagay ako.
Nice! Ba't nga ayaw? Go, go, go!
Leo versus Leo.
Feeling ko pag gilid ako. First na strike namin. So after namin mag-bowling doon, we are now in our next event. It's a KTV room. So relax muna yung mga tito and tita. So after mag-bowling, mag-video game muna. Kasi mag-pickleball pa kami mamaya. Kakayanin.
Sanay kami mag-walk.
So we are now going to our next location.
Yeah, because this is our... Oh my God.
What is our third event?
Me, because I had gym in the morning.
Third event natin is mag-pick your ball, pickleball. Somewhere in 15 Makisig.
Pick your ball.
Pick your ball,
Kasi
pick your
karaoke
ball.
is also an exercise of the diaphragm, di ba? Something like
Okay,
that. And
sige.
this one is pickleball, another cardio.
Where we pick our ball.
Yeah. This is the first time I'm gonna try it. Hindi na na may babalik ang dati. It's over and done.
It's so
I-record yan ang pagdadrama.
But the heart
Oh, may
makes
pinisin
me
na.
want.
Tapos,
Besh, yung ano lang naman yung pinutol ko, yung last 15 seconds.
like you got tired. Like he doesn't want to hear anything about
Like my attention span already, gave up. Or may pang cheers pa.